What's up, my ponios? Andy with Andy Vlogs. Excited to share with you guys this content here. We're going to go over another one of these MagSafe power banks that I think you should definitely consider. There's a bunch of these on my channel that I've gone through, and so I'm really picky, but I think this is certainly one I landed on that I really like. I've been very disappointed with the Apple MagSafe, even though that they did push an update here for the 7.5 watt charging. This is so small, and it now that I've got this iPhone 14 Pro Max, it really needs something that's super powerful, provides a full charge for the rest of the day, especially when I'm using it constantly for content creation, and this just doesn't do it. With that said, before we jump into this, I do want to let you know here that I do have a relationship with Benks, but this is not a sponsored video from them. I did purchase this with my own money, so you know where my bias is. So down below in the links in the description if you want to consider checking out the product pricing and availability for this product and the other products that we go over, it would really be appreciated. Other than that, let's go ahead and jump into why you'd want to consider this over the others. Let's jump into it. Like I said here, this is the 5000 milliamp power bank from the folks at Benks here. It only pushes out 5 watts. However, you do have up to, I believe, 15 watts from the USB Type-C. So if you want to wire in, you can definitely do that on the go and have it much faster charging. It is pretty sleek, pretty straightforward. It seems like it is encased in silicone, but it's made out of high quality lithium ion battery. Wow, presentation's pretty good. Looks like it's got, a couple of steps here to pick things up. You've got your charging cable. You got your information guide. Pretty straightforward there. It's all recyclable material, which is nice. And then you've got the device itself. You can see they've got the Benks logo there at the bottom. Around the edge, it's wrapped all the way around. Very high quality. This is the plate that it activates on. You can see MagSafe in the glare. And then you've got the I/O here where you push the button. It looks like it's maybe 3/4 there. And then USB Type-C. Pretty standard here in the ways of a charging bank. It's about the same size. I'm sure they copied the form factor from Apple, but it seems to be a little bit bigger, just slightly. It seems like the chassis is slightly bigger. With that said here, let's go ahead and attach it for the first time. I'm sporting this Nomad Horween leather Folio, which is cool. It's like a 2 or 3-in-1. Provides you your cash as well as your wallet, and then it folds up, protecting your phone. All the way around it is the Horween leather. This is sourced from Chicago. I love this thing. I carry this around ever since I got the phone. Beautiful. What's nice here is this case is MagSafe compatible, so you got to move the latch, and you just throw it right on there. Push the button. You'll see here that it'll start charging. There you go. Boom. Pretty straightforward there. In the ways of the other device here, it's about the same charging lag time. You'll see that both of them, I've noticed this with the iPhone 14, they kind of take a second for the MagSafe to kind of go off, but nonetheless it does. I wanted to show you one more other device here to compare it from. This is kind of a standard 10,000 milliamp battery. It's obviously twice as much, twice as big, a little bit taller, 150% heavier. But this is, it's from some weird no-name brand. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll have it down below. But this is certainly an option here to output if you want. I would actually go for the Benks because, well, you don't really need 10,000 unless you've got multiple devices. Finally, it goes off charging. I need something that I need in a pinch and will last the whole day. I go at work and I'm doing reports and I'm having to present and I'm having to, text people. This is something that I would love to have on the back. It's not, too intrusive here. It doesn't add as much. If I'm putting it up to my ear, it doesn't feel like I've got a lot. Something else out there like this is way too heavy, and then I constantly have to charge this thing. It's really annoying. Nonetheless, if you guys want to check it out, down below in the links in the description is the product pricing availability for this product from Benks. It's the 5000 milliamp battery. Not a sponsored video, but I do have a relationship with them. This I did purchase, so it does help out the channel if you guys want to consider that. With that said, I'm going to go finish watching Lord of the Rings. Let's do this. Guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.